Welcome to Fraser Robb. We are a family business established in 1975. We're serving both domestic and commercial customers, including estates, tree surgeons, landscapers, golf courses, councils and more. Come and see us in Drimmen. You'll get a friendly welcome from our team in our large showroom. We stock a wide range of garden and ground care equipment and accessories from leading brands. We can help you if you want to switch to the greener, more efficient battery power, including the highly intelligent robotic mowers. We are pleased to stock the highly versatile Avant loaders. Hire or buy from Fraser Robb. We offer a collection and delivery service. We have a fantastic team, all here to help you and to support you to ensure you have the best equipment and service. Thank you to all our customers for supporting us over the last 50 years.